Without a doubt, I am a beach girl through and through. My life pretty much is like an endless summer. I prefer to live in areas that are humid, picturesque, and where the sand and salt linger from the beach into my home. So I lived in Australia's capital, which was pretty much a city surrounded by concrete walls. I'm not sure why I love the ocean so much. Maybe it was when we went on school holidays and my family would go camping for at least a month. Well, it felt like that anyway, I can't remember. So we would go to remote, faraway beaches where there really was nothing, like no local town, but merely a servo, sorry for the Australian word, but a petrol station or fuel station, and the caravan park that we would stay at. I wonder if those places even still exist. Summertime, from as long as I can recall, I would anticipate those holidays, looking forward to seeing annual friends that too would arrive after Christmas Day and begin the carefree lifestyle of camping out. So I guess camping for me defined me in my own eyes as being poor, because all of my friends that we went camping with generally had caravans. It's funny though how years later I started to appreciate camping and live very basic. I wanted to sort of live a life that was far more simple. Yeah, getting back to nature. It defines me to who I am today. I guess there's a lot of things in my childhood that I think about now. It's like I've reverted back to the things that I really loved in my childhood, and I would have to say that camping definitely is one of them. And I really enjoy just having a very basic, simple life. I always need to live near the beach.